Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today because I won a prize. Yes, yay! I won a prize on YouTube, and I won this by leaving a comment. You guys know Ramona here on YouTube. She hosted a challenge, I believe back in January. It was around New Year's, and all you had to do was leave a comment and I think a New Year's resolution, and I actually won her prize. So yay, I'm super excited. I just received it, so I want to share with you what I won. And also, if you don't know who Ramona is by now, she is a super sweet lady. She is always up to date on what's new in all of the scrapbooking stores. Tuesday Morning, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. She is always on the hunt for new crafting items, and I think she lives in Texas, and I think they get their items definitely before us Georgia girls get the items. And so she posts lots of videos on Shop With Me, and she shares all of the new crafty goodies that are coming in that are new. So if you're not subbed to her, you should definitely sub to her. I do Shop With Me videos too, but not like Ramona, so definitely go show her some love. So she sent me a card, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So super sweet. And let me just open it up. Oh my goodness, I don't want to tear it. Oh, look at this beautiful card that she sent. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the little kitty, and it's dimensional. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much for that pretty card. All right, let me just open it up really quick. Oh, no worries. She was just kind of explaining that she was late sending the package, and no worries, Ramona girl. I appreciate you, and I am so happy to have won a prize, and I would have waited another 2 months. No worries. So thank you, thank you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive right on in and see what she sent me. Oh my goodness. So she sent me these really pretty book pages. Wow, these are really, really gorgeous. Look at that. How pretty is that? All right, so I can use these on a project. Oh, look at the back. It even has like music paper. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move this box off to the side so I can share everything. What is this? Oh my gosh, he sent me a shirt. It says, "Make What Matters." Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get it all in frame. Let me just zoom out just a tad. Oh, that is adorable. I love that. Look at that, you guys. Make What Matters. Did you make this, Ramona? I wonder if she made this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I love that. Yay. Oh my goodness. She has this filled with a lot of goodies, you guys. Okay, so, oh my gosh, she sent me all of this beautiful Anna Griffin paper. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I don't even know if I can do a flip through. It has gold foiling on it. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for that, Ramona. This is so pretty. Look at this one. This one like has florals. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it, but it's gorgeous. Thank you, thank you. And then she sent me another one. Oh my gosh. And this is more beautiful florals. I'm trying to open it so you guys can see. Look at those pretty papers, you guys. Anna Griffin is like elegant, classy style for sure. So thank you so much for blessing me with those. Yay! And then she sent these, oh my gosh, these butterflies will go with that paper. Look how pretty those are, you guys. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen those before, Ramona. Oh, yay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was the big prize. You look at this. This is the Instax Mini 9. I do not own one of these, and it's one of those instant cameras. And it even has a selfie mirror. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. And I'm so super excited because it looks like it's purple. Oh my gosh, I wonder if it, oh, it's plum. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so excited about this, you guys. You just have no idea. Oh my gosh, yay! And then, oh my goodness, it even has a camera case. So I can, oh, it snaps. Okay, so I have a place to put the camera. Awesome. Thank you so much. This is so, so cool. I cannot wait to play with this, seriously. And then she has the film that you need. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this. I'm gonna get my daughter to help me put it all together. But this one has like candy pop, so it looks like that's the border. Oh, and this one's stripes. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much. I can't believe I won. Oh, and there's a photo journal. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's gonna be really nice. Thank you so much for that. I love the colors. Oh my goodness. There's so many goodies in here. I didn't realize all this was in the prize. Look at these beautiful stamps. And I apologize, I hope I'm focused. These are the Jane Davenport stamps. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. This one is a sea theme. It has a pretty girl. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then these are rub-on transfers. How pretty is that? Look at that girl. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. And let me just keep going. It just keeps going, you guys. Oh my gosh, so there's some really pretty stickers in here. These are all those really pretty stickers that have foiling. I hope that you guys can see. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh, look at the mermaids. So pretty. Thank you so much for those. And then what is next? There is a flip calendar kit. Oh my gosh, you sent me all kinds of goodies. I don't even know if I've ever seen this before. Oh my gosh, but like I said, you guys, she is at every store and finds all of the new, latest, greatest. Look at, that's what it creates right there. How cute. I'm sorry for that glare. Absolutely adorable. Oh, and I could probably use the little pictures. It looks like, yes, that'll work with the pictures. And then, look at this, you guys. This is the magnetic wall word, and it says love. And I'm sorry for the glare, you guys. That's a bad glare. But this is like a magnetic wall word. So I can create like a collage and have photos. So super, super cute. I cannot wait to get my craft room together. You guys have no idea. The struggle is real, not having like a full put together craft room in my new house. But I mean, I make it work, but seriously, this will go and display in my craft room once it is finished for sure. So look how awesome. So that's what it can look like on the back. How cool is that? That is so awesome. Okay, so that is that. And then I think the last thing that's in here is another Instamax film for the camera. So I cannot wait to play with this camera. This was such an awesome giveaway. I am so blessed and so thankful that I won. Thank you so much, Ramona. And you guys, again, I'll leave her channel link in the description box below. You guys go check out her channel and sub to her if you want to be in the know of what's latest and greatest, okay? All right, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.